Olá, bem-vindos a mais episódio. Today's episode is going to be so handy. I'm sure all of you want to be able to say more than just olá or obrigada, obrigado in Portuguese. Surely some of you have already gone through vocabulary lists, grammar rules, and verb conjugations. But sometimes don't you feel you need more than that? You feel you need those lines, those helpful small sentences that can open doors or make you solve a situation easily. Well, that's our theme for today. 7 useful lines every native uses and that seem like magic to every life situation in Portuguese. If you are learning Portuguese and you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you enjoy my content on YouTube, you have now a new form of supporting my work through the Super Thanks button below with the heart. You can donate any amount to support the time I put into creating these videos for you. E agora, vamos começar! Knowing basic Portuguese should also include knowing short, fixed expressions that are the perfect reply to daily situations. Try memorizing them because most don't translate directly from other languages. Online translators can be deceiving when translating these expressions as well. So be aware. Our first expression is não faz mal. It's okay. No problem. It doesn't matter. No worries. Think of the number of situations where you'd use these expressions in English. Those are the same ones you will use não faz mal. Someone steps on your foot and says, I'm sorry. Desculpe. You can answer, não faz mal. You're craving for today's special, but the waiter says they ran out. Já não há. You can reply, não faz mal. If you like studying Portuguese by listening to Portuguese music, practice singing the song Não Faz Mal by Ivo Lucas. I'll leave the link in the description below. It's a great way to memorize the expression. Igualmente. Here's a true lifesaver. This one means likewise. If someone wishes you a good weekend, bom fim de semana, and you want to say same to you, just reply igualmente and you'll sound kind and polite. Same with it's a pleasure to meet you. Prazer. Igualmente is a great response. How do you say in Portuguese speedy recovery? Get well soon. Hope you feel better. When someone is sick or not feeling well and tells you about it, your reply should be as melhoras, as we can see from the title of this book. Next, we will check a few useful expressions when it comes to making plans. First, someone suggests something to do. O que achas de... What do you think about? O que achas de irmos ao cinema? What do you think about going to the movies? If you don't want to go, you can just say, acho que não. I don't think so. If you think it's a good idea, you might reply with, acho que sim, as in I guess or fine, not sounding very enthusiastic. But if you feel thrilled about watching a movie, you can reply with ÓTIMA IDEIA, great idea. After you agreed on going to the movies, you need to define time and place. Someone suggests em minha casa às 20 horas. My place, 8 p.m. If it's okay with you, you can say está combinado or just combinado. It's a deal, it's a plan. Saying you're sorry to hear something or expressing sympathy as what a shame, what a bummer, or that's too bad can be expressed by que pena. Queres vir à minha festa de anos? Do you want to come to my birthday party? Que pena, já tenho planos. What a bummer, I already have plans. Não fiquei com o trabalho. I didn't get the job. Que pena, vais encontrar outro ainda melhor. That's too bad, you'll find a better one. When you want to express an informal, never mind, let it go, don't worry, deixa lá is the line for you. If you wonder or struggle with the meaning of the word lá, check out our video on how to use cá and lá in Portuguese. Now, picture a situation where you are supposed to meet up with a Portuguese friend, but something came up and you can't make it. You apologize. And if your friend is understanding, you will most probably get a Deixa lá as a reply. The Portuguese group Trovante has a song called Deixa lá. I'll leave the link in the description as well. Try listening to natives speak at cafes or public transportation. Another option is to watch TV and pick up these expressions in soap operas, for example. Think of situations where you can use them comfortably. Share with me in the comments if you have heard or used any of these before. Até para a semana!